Hi, this is Nicholas Irachi, the Home Source Guy, president and owner of Source Development, Inc., a residential and commercial construction company in Garnerville, New York, and this is how to stop a kitchen sink from leaking where the basket is installed, if that isn't a mouthful. Anyway, this is what we're going to do. The very first thing we're going to do is we're going to get a trap wrench. Now this is great. You could use this or channel lock pliers, but this is a great tool. It gets around the trap and it's easy to use and it just gives you the leverage you need. So what we're going to do is we're just going to check the tightness of this nut first. And if it's loose, any compression or added compression we get on it should stop the clog. Now what happens is, I'm just going to give this a quick tug, and that was a little loose. So what happens is also, let's say you throw boiled water down your sink. There's expansion and contraction issues between the sink and the strainer here, and what happens is that the putty that you install around the strainer, especially if it's an older application, could get dried out. It could crack and water could seep inside. That's one thing. They also have plastic strainers, and when they're attached to a metal sink, you might get a different contraction and expansion issue there. Those are things to check, and I would stick to a metal strainer, by the way, if I were you. So if you are getting leaking, what I really suggest is removing the entire basket. So I'm going to remove the tail piece. I'm going to loosen up the strainer. Lower the gasket, pop open the strainer. Resetting plumber's putty around the perimeter, and then reinstalling the strainer. This is Nicholas Irachi, the Home Source Guy, president and owner of Source Development, Inc., a residential and commercial construction company in Garnerville, New York, helping you build a better life. Reach out to me on Facebook at the Home Source Guy. We'll see you next time.